Hey brookies, I'm back with another video. I'm eating some seafood and some noodles, and I got some cheese sauce right here. Woo, I don't want to spill it. Some cheese sauce, some mussels and shrimp. How everybody feeling today? The noodles, got some seafood on top of that. I don't want it to drop. Trying to get that better look. So I'm gonna say grace, then we're gonna start eating. Thank you, Lord, for my food. Bless my food as I eat, as we eat. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. Oh, my brain's doing fine today. I had a pretty good night last night. I hung out with my cousin for a while. We had fun. I got to see my other little cousin, her daughter. We had fun. She missed me. I missed her so much. And I got some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Like, a lot. Like, I can eat mushrooms all day by itself. I'm gonna do a video like that. None but mushrooms. So, whoever loves mushrooms, y'all gotta just look out for that video. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my page. And if y'all got any kind of sauces, because I'm gonna try some different sauces. I've been seeing some online. And I want to try out. Or if you got any other kind of foods or anything like that, let me know. I love cheese. So anybody been watching any good movies lately? I really don't watch really new movies. If it's like old movies. And sometimes like I literally will watch the same movie over and over. Like if I really like it, like I'll watch it over and over, probably for like a week straight. I'm actually starting to get kind of comfortable with doing these kind of videos. I know I still have to work on a lot of things, but that all takes time to get in there. I'm trying not to get messy today. I want to try cheese and seafood because I've seen it a lot. It's okay. It's not something I will always do. But one sauce I really want to try, I think, is sad sauce. That sauce just looks so freaking good. I definitely want to try that. But I made that cheese sauce pretty good though. I like it. Just not with seafood. I'm so hungry, guys. I haven't eaten nothing yet. But this is like my first meal. I'm gonna be doing more videos about like what I do during the day and everything, and check in on you guys too. I did miss you guys. I apologize about the last video too. It was just like a lot of stuff going on then. But everything is getting back better. If y'all got questions y'all want to ask me, y'all can follow me on Instagram at BlackQueen9494. And I will do it on my channel right here. I used to eat the tails of the shrimp when I was younger. My dad used to tell me not to do it because it's gonna cut my insides up. But sometimes you might catch me eating it out. Sometimes I won't. Depends on my mood or how soft it is. I might eat the whole thing. Yeah, my dad told me a lot of weird stuff growing up, not to do certain things, kind of scare me. But I was like, oh, like I still want to try it. This is me. I love that man, even though he's gone, but I miss him. This one's good. Mm-hmm. I want to try the green lip mussels. Those ones look good. Really good. If y'all got any topics y'all want to talk about, let me know. Not because we can talk on here, get to know each other more. If y'all like jokes or whatever, like we can joke around or whatever. There's nothing offensive. I'm gonna start trying some of these challenges too. I think I said it in the last video or one before that. But I'm good with hot stuff, but not really. So I'm gonna have to work my way up to it. Start prepping myself. So yeah. Oh, we're having this right here. Oh, this is good. I forgot my hot sauce. It is beautiful outside today. I might go take a walk later. What was y'all favorite childhood game or games? I love double. I used to like playing double dutch a lot with my cousins. Double dutch, ding dong ditch, manhunt. Those are like my favorite games. But I was a crybaby, so I couldn't catch nobody. But yeah, I liked those games. Mm, 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 mm. Well, put these apart. This is good. I actually used the four cheese blend. I don't know what cheese I had, so I used that. I like it. Doing these videos is fun. It's cool, but it's a lot of work. And I don't mind. This is something I always wanted to do. Excuse me. Because I always wanted to do it. I was kind of scared. Because I've been through a lot of things. And man, something about like the way I eat. I'm like, okay. It always made me nervous. But now, I'm like, you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna do it. You don't like the way I eat, what I do. Don't watch me. Mushrooms are the best. Whew. Okay, fun fact about me. I don't like making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I don't like tomatoes and my hands be all sticky and it just freaks me out. I don't know why, but it does. Excuse me. This food is so good. I love seafood so much. What's your favorite kind of seafood?